Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. If you need to guys find the fuse for the canister valve, that's the EVAP canister valve, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, why it's important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from for a fraction of the price. All that will be shared guys in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So it should work on multiple engines for Mustang. We'll specifically demonstrate on a 5.0 GT, but even if you have the 2.3 EcoBoost, it may work as well guys. So we're going to open the hood. The best mod that we've done is the hood lift system. Check this thing out. How cool is that? You don't have to support it and lift that thing up anymore. So we guys made a special video how to install hood lift system. Check it out, it will be on our channel. Right here, if you come, check this thing out. That's the fuse box on the left side of the engine. In order to get to that EVAP canister valve fuse, you press here, lift up. On the back side, we're going to have the fuse numbers and the relays printed here, and the layout corresponds to what we have specifically here. So which fuse we need to check now? It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. The fuse guys that we'll need to check is known as a vehicle power fuse. It's in that fuse block right here. Okay, in your menu it's not going to say specifically it's that fuse, because you will just have a vehicle power fuse number, but doesn't tell you that it's for the EVAP canister system. So if you come, that's the fuse block right there. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 40. That's guys that 20 amp fuse that we have specifically right here. Check that fuse, that's the one, okay, for multiple things that manage the engine, but it's for the purge valve, canister valve, for the EVAP system as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.